Hey, it's Ken Wilshire, All America Fine Finishes, 913-850-3308, kcbathtub.com. We're out here in Overland Park, Kansas, and we got a shower base here. We're referred by good friends at Petty Products. We refer each other back and forth, and we're going to make this thing look brand spanking new. All right, we'll keep you posted. Thank you. Okay, we got Scott here sanding these nubs off. Sand these nubs off so we can fill all these scratches in and control them. And we'll show you what it looks like when we get done. We'll show you what we got. We got our 16-inch ventilator going right out here. Works real good. And then we'll have our fresh air set up down here, coming right in the front door. But I got 50-foot of line will come right in here and right into right up here. All right. Okay, now we're cleaning with the 2 mild acid cleaners, getting all that crap, bacteria and crap out of there, man, to provide a nice clean service for our bonding agent. Okay, we've got the old big gent filling in the scratches, so we'll have an ultra smooth finish. Okay, yeah, so we got it all filled. It's dry, and we're going to sand it and mask everything off and shoot this thing and be out of here. Okay, we got our slip resistant service installed. Getting ready to splay this thing out. Ken Wilshire, All America Fine Finishes, 913-850-3308, kcbathtub.com. We're out here in Overland Park, Kansas, and here's the finished product. Looks real good. Okay. Thank you.